Let's now go to inquiring. Let's discuss common symptoms in internal medicine, part 3. Common symptoms in internal medicine. Hematemesis, an abrupt vomiting of bright red blood accompanied by fever, thirst, gastric pain, a red tongue with thick yellow coating, and a slippery and rapid pulse is mostly due to burning heat in the stomach, injuring the stomach meridian. Vomiting of bright red blood accompanied by chest tightness, distension and pain in the flank and abdomen, agitation and irritability, and a taut and rapid pulse is mostly due to unregulated passions of liver fire attacking the stomach. Vomiting of light red blood accompanied by dull gastric pain that is alleviated by pressure, palpitation of the heart, anorexia, with loose feces, a pale complexion, and a thread-like and feeble pulse is due to insufficiency of both the heart and the spleen. The mechanism is erratic movement of the blood due to the inability of the deficient chi to control blood movement. Vomiting of dark purple blood with clots accompanied by sharp gastric pain, worsened by pressure and purpuric spots on the tongue is due to blood stasis. The mechanism is blood extravasating and flowing through abnormal pathways because of blockage of the normal pathways by static blood. Hematemesis is the principal clinical symptom of bleeding in the upper digestive tract. It may also be seen in peptic ulcers, chronic enteritis, stomach cancer, and cirrhosis of the liver. Hematochezia. This is bleeding from the anus or the defecation of blood along with mixed with feces. Hematochezia accompanied by thirst and preference for cold drinks, halitosis and bitter taste, constipation, burning sensation in the anus, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid and forceful pulse is due to exogenous heat in the stomach and intestines, damaging the blood vessels. Sometimes there are first blood then feces. The blood is fresh, but the defecation is difficult. This is accompanied by a red tongue with a yellow greasy coating and a slippery and rapid pulse. It is due to dampness and heat together baking blood and damaging the large intestine meridians. Sometimes there are first feces then blood, and then there is blood alone, and the blood is dark purple or the feces resemble tar. If this is accompanied by a lusterless complexion, cold body and limbs, a pale tongue, and a thread-like and feeble pulse is due to the deficiency cold of the spleen and the stomach, and failure of qi to control blood. If the blood is fresh and bright red and the anus severely painful, it is hemorrhoids. Hematochezia is the principal symptom of bleeding in the lower digestive tract. It may be seen in all types of enteritis, intestinal cancer, intestinal tuberculosis, certain nutritional deficiencies, and various illnesses of the anus. For hematuria, in the blazing of heart fire, the blood in the urine is fresh red, the urethra is painful as though scalded and abraded, the heart palpitates, and the mind is restless. Dampness heat in the bladder produces hematuria, accompanied by frequency, urgency, and pain on urination. Insufficiency of both the spleen and the kidney leads to light red hematuria that is recurrent without resolution, and that is accompanied by anorexia, abdominal distension, and lumbar and knee aches and weakness. Hematuria may also be seen in tuberculosis of the urinary tract as well as stones, tumors, or injury anywhere in the urinary tract. A variety of blood disorders also can cause hematuria. For impotence accompanied by spermatoria, lumbar and knee aches and weakness, cold aversion and cold limbs, and a deep and thread-like pulse is due to deficiency of kidney yang. Impotence accompanied by scrotal maceration, itch or pain, decreased and red urine, a yellow and a greasy tongue coating, and a slippery and rapid pulse is due to dampness heat descending into the genitals. Impotence accompanied by agitation, irascibility, emotional depression, and a thought pulse is due to gelling of liver qi. Impotence accompanied by palpitation of the heart, shortness of breath, spontaneous sweating, fatigue, and a reduced appetite is due to insufficiency of both the heart and the spleen. And lastly, for spermatoria, is the spontaneous emission of semen without sexual excitation. Spermatoria accompanied by palpitation of the heart, restlessness, a red tongue, and a rapid pulse is due to blazing heart fire. Spermatoria accompanied by erection without sexual stimulation, yellow urine, and a top pulse is due to passion-induced fire. Spermatoria accompanied by palpitation of the heart, insomnia, and the lumbar and knee aches, and weakness is mostly due to disharmony between the heart and the kidney. Spermatoria accompanied by cold aversion, cold limbs, lying in the fetal position, a pale tongue, and a deep and feeble pulse is mostly due to deficiency and decline of kidney yang. And for spermatoria accompanied by a recurrent fever, night sweat, a red tongue with little coating, and a thread-like but rapid pulse is due to depletion of kidney yin. For spermatoria that may also be seen in mental deterioration, inflammation of the prostate gland, and seminal vesicles. Thank you for your attention.